Sparkling Glue, so glad to have you here today. Thought I'd try something. So I have these stickers that they're transparent with flowers, and I bought a whole package of them, I believe on Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll add it. Haven't really used them much, and then I saw somebody do something, not with this, well, they did it just with the page. Let's try it together. So they kind of just ripped, maybe I'm ripping too much off here. Let's see, maybe a little less white. So they just, and this paper is a little thick maybe for this, but let's just give it a try. So we're just tearing, and then I'm going to use some ink, and this is Distressed Ink by Tim Holtz Ranger Vintage Photo. And let's just go ahead and ink the edges. So it looks a little distressed. And we're gonna, haven't tried this yet, so we're doing it together. And I'm going to take a piece of packing tape and put it underneath and then put the stickers on it. So we'll just see what happens. Okay, I think just some of the edges a little darker. I think that looks good. All right, here goes nothing. So I'll turn this over, take a piece of packing tape, and just lay it on here. Okay, I'm just going to trim it. All right, now let's take a few flowers and just see how it works. I'm going to try to get the back off of this. I don't even know if I can, or if it's just a piece of, I thought they were stickers, and I do think they are. Let me see. You know, I feel like they're stickers, but I can't see it, so let's try another one. If not, I'll just lay them down the way they are. But I really did feel like these were stickers. Yeah, nothing's coming off. So let's just try and lay them down. And I'm really not doing anything special except just putting some flowers down, and then maybe this pretty pink one would be nice. You could just throw it there. Alright, so they're laid down. Let's take another piece of packing tape on top of this. And just put it down the best you can. Go ahead and press down. And then what we want to do is just trim it up. So I'm just going to put this in here, trim, and I'm going to trim the white off the bottom here. And the white off the top. And about the side. Okay. So I think that came out really cute. Maybe be nice on, I guess, a double-sided piece of paper. But it's definitely something to play with and to add to, you know, just add to your journals maybe. Do something with it. And it is, I mean, it feels pretty sturdy. I think it'll be great. Anyway, let's see what we can use it on. Maybe I'll figure something out and come back and make another video. Anyway, like I said, if I could find the link to the flowers, I think it came in a set. There's green, I have sunflowers, and here's reds, roses, and then these were pretty much the pinks, purples, and maybe a little bit of yellow in here. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. Take care. So I looked up and I did find the link on Amazon. It looks like I purchased it in 2023. They are in fact stickers, and you do use tape like I was trying, but you need to put the tape on the front of the flower and then you can peel it right off. Try not to put too much tape because sometimes you can't get it back off the flower. But there you go. So it is definitely a sticker. And I do, so I have the link. I'll post that below in case you want it. I think it was like 600 pieces of these flowers. And let me show you some things I made. So this is what we had just done. This I made. Again, I think these are all used without the backing taken off, and it really doesn't matter, but you can see it a little bit. This is just a two-sided piece of colored paper. What I did like is I just kind of cut around the flowers, and I thought that came out pretty cute. I don't know what I think about the tape showing up on the solid, how much you can see it, but you know, maybe putting some other things on this page, maybe more stickers or some other paper, and it wouldn't show as much. But look at it when it is sitting against the background. I think that is so nice. I really can't wait to make a journal with it. So I certainly will be doing that in the near future, and I'll post. This I tried with a piece of, I think this paper is from Minte, from a collection, might have been Lilacs or Home, I can't really remember. Anyway, I ripped it, I folded it, taped it together, so I made it double-sided because it wasn't. So maybe it's not Minte paper, because I do think all theirs are double-sided. I'm not sure, I'm sorry. But so I put the flowers, same thing, and I think that it's really, really cute. Again, maybe on colored background, one piece of paper would be nice. And then this was something else I tried. It was just a ribbon that I got from Walmart. It's a lattice work type of ribbon. Here, I think I have it right here. I can show you. It's this. So anyway, it's pretty. These I did get the stickers off and I stuck them on, and then after I put the tape on both sides, and I'm probably going to trim this up. But I thought this might even be a really cute belly band in a journal. So anyway, I just thought I'd come back and show you these things again, and I am going to do something with them. They're very bright and pretty. So anyway, thanks for stopping by, Sparkle and Glue. I hope you have fun crafting, and I'll see you soon. Bye.